guys, I'm here with my brother Isaac. Say hello.
Hi.
And we're going to actually be trying to draw blindfolded, which I was wanting to try this like before on the channel, but for some reason I don't think I did. Did I?
Did you?
I don't think I ever did do a blindfolded video, but I wanted to.
You did a blindfolded typing.
Well, yeah, typing. Oh wait, that's a good. Yeah, it was
totally
typing.
forgot.
It was typing. It wasn't actually drawing. So we're going to be trying to draw things blindfolded. I actually made it so that he couldn't see the results of his own drawings.
Yeah, I have no idea.
He drew his pictures by looking at a picture I drew a while ago and then tried to draw it blindfolded, but then before he took the blindfold off, I made sure he couldn't see them, so he has no idea what his results were until just now, and I didn't let him see mine either, so it's gonna be interesting to figure out, well, who did worse. So make sure you comment and let me know who
I'm
you
not
thought
ready
did worse.
because I know mine were so bad. I don't think they're recognizable.
Yeah, wait, you guys should try this too. So you guys should honestly try drawing these same pictures blindfolded and then post them online so I can see and like tag me. Oh wait, the first one.
Dear.
Okay, this one was this little draft guy I drew ages ago.
It should have been easier than it was.
Yeah, he doesn't look that hard to remember, but the thing is I drew him, so I probably remember him a little bit better than someone who's never seen him before. So it's
nothing.
Okay,
Nothing
here's
about
Isaac.
me.
Here's
There I go. Whoa!
Okay.
Already the sizes
Wait.
are way. No!
Oh, that's his head. That's his
I
head.
drew right through his eyes.
Oh, yeah, you also have his mouth. Is that his mouth? The circle below the eyes?
Oh
It's
my
rather large.
gosh.
Okay, wait. His
No!
neck. His neck. His
No!
neck.
I can't remember the proportions.
Wait, you forgot the other side of his neck.
Yeah, no, why did I make the body so small and the top so big?
Yeah, wait, the top of the head is huge. And then he started going down, and he started forgetting where he was. And
Yeah.
he'd forget and just be like, I give up.
I can't keep the proportions.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mine wasn't any better, really, but I did remember, like, the idea of what I was supposed to add. So that's one thing, but
I want to see
Oh,
if
it's
you
not
keep the
good.
proportion at least a little bit better.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think that's ears. What's the thing on the top? Oh, okay, he's curvy. He's curvy.
Curvy.
He's really curvy. Oh, his neck is not
Dang.
attached. Oh, those are some good feet. I think his
I
what is
don't
it?
know
Is it
what's happening.
that okay? Look, I'm drawing his ears a second time.
Why
I
are you doing
forgot
that?
I drew his ears.
Now you're putting the eyes out of his face.
Oh.
I think it's safe to say,
Yeah.
we both
Are
didn't
terrible?
know what we're doing.
Okay, look, I don't understand how I could possibly think the balloons would match when I didn't even hook them together. I don't even get it. But okay.
I still think
oh my
mine's gonna be
goodness.
worse. This is the one where I
This is-
forgot how to put the branch in and all
Yeah,
that.
it's probably the easiest one. The thing is that when he was doing it, I had to like try and like tell him what he was missing. Not like entirely, but I would just like laugh and he'd get the idea.
Did I not try to add in an extra bird last second because I thought that was part of the photo?
I don't remember. Wait, let's see.
I thought an extra bird was part of this photo.
Let's see.
I
Okay,
think.
you draw a little guy. You see, so far it's so good.
Okay.
Never mind. He lost
Oh.
some weight. He went on a diet. He went on a diet. And now he's a little thin guy.
And I started forgetting what I was doing here.
But yeah, now he's just like sitting there, like I don't know.
Okay, the branch.
the
The
branch.
branch was okay.
See, that's pretty good.
But oh god.
That's not bad. You can tell what's happening. That's the point.
Yeah, but how do you say that's a bird? I didn't.
No, if I saw that picture, I
didn't-
would tell you.
Oh,
it
here's
was
the
a-
other bird.
What is that?
That's the other bird.
What other bird?
There's no other bird, but there is.
he sees things that I don't. How did you think there was another bird? I don't.
I think you showed me a photo where it was like, I think that was like you're drawing like an OC.
Oh yeah, there was
I
an
drew the
OC's
original.
picture. Oh, I didn't think of that. I
Okay,
didn't.
so far it looks more like a bird, looking thick.
Oh, he doesn't look more like a bird. The other one honestly looked a bit. Oh, that's his feet. What is the circle? Is that supposed to be like his stomach?
Yeah, I have no
Oh.
clue what the circle.
Oh.
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 Okay, that second line only hurt. It only
is that?
hurt.
What is
Wait,
the line?
that?
Oh, it's his wings. It's
Oh.
supposed to be like a line for his wings.
Okay, you're not sure whether you're done or not.
See, that's what happens when you're doing a blindfold. You're thinking, man, I wonder if my masterpiece is done yet. Oh, this one.
Oh,
I think this
dang.
one honestly looks like it'd be very easy to remember because it's just like a little octopus with a flower on his
Yeah,
head.
well, I managed to fail it.
No, I think you. This one, I think you did pretty well. You probably, of course, don't
Get
remember
ready.
because you haven't seen it. But okay, here we go.
Oh, oof,
Um,
oof.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's where you had the
Inconsistent tentacle
little
sizes.
tentacle. Whoa, her head just stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Wait,
that
the
was,
eyes?
That was almost on.
The eyes are actually on the face, so that's a positive. That doesn't happen often.
You can tell,
what it is
that time. That's rare.
Yeah, see, that's probably really good. I don't remember what mine was. I honestly don't remember at all. Did I do badly at this?
Oh,
I
dear.
probably did awful, but I don't remember it.
Okay.
Okay,
Maybe you'll have more consistent sizes than I did.
it looks like an octopus so far.
It's more consistent.
I'm terrified of what is going to... Yeah, there we go!
Oh! You just put the mouth over, now you just drew it. Or no, you redrew the eye?
I redrew it because I realized it was too small.
Oh dear.
Well, that was terrible. The thing is that every time I try drawing something blindfolded, I for some reason can't remember even slightly where I was when I pick up my hand.
I forgot what we were even drawing with this one, like halfway through.
Oh yeah, this is the one that was the most difficult by far because the dragon has so many little details. You have to remember the hands, you have to remember the body, you have to remember the tail.
How are you going to draw the whole body and then add in the tail in the right place?
Yeah, because you have to pick up your hand and you can't remember where to place down. You would literally have to practice this. Oh, oh my goodness, you're drawing Weedle.
Oh, the body is tiny. It's
it
Weedle.
looks like a little Weedle or Caterpie. I thought.
Wait, what is that? Oh,
I thought the eyes that he drew there were his horns. It looks like horns.
It looks like a little ghost Pokemon.
Wait, now that I look at it, it does kind of look like a ghost. It looks like a little ghost
It's
reaching
a little
out.
Ghost, okay.
It doesn't really look like the dragon. What are you doing?
I'm drawing the tail.
Oh!
That's his tail!
That's his nose! That's not a tail.
What am I doing now? Also, there's no horns. That was
Wait,
it.
that was it.
No horns, nothing.
I think you gave up because you're just like, never mind. You know what? Just, I'm done. Oh my goodness, I don't remember mine at all. I was editing the other night, but it was so late, I don't remember them.
Okay,
it looks like a cat.
You actually put the face on the face. Wait.
What is that?
What is that? Wait.
That's his body.
Wait.
What is that?
It's like a little cat.
Wait, why is there like a third leg?
It's a little cat.
Oh gosh.
It's a cat. You drew a cat.
What is
okay?
Why
It was looking okay, and then you drew right through its face.
Why did I do that?
Wait, why are you drawing a tail?
I think it's his back, and that's his horn.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, they're both awful. I honestly couldn't figure out whose was better.
Yours is better. It looked
No.
like a cat.
Okay, this is the last one.
This one should have been easy, but I was realizing how I didn't know how to draw the wings right.
Yeah, well, the wings thing is like, I didn't know how to place them either because when you pick up your hand, you don't know where to stop down. But at least they're floating wings, so it's a little easier because you don't have to place them on the character. But still,
Okay.
oh, like your eyes, they're a little derpy.
Oh,
a little derpy.
derp.
Oh.
Oh dang!
Oh,
I tried to go in
gosh.
for extra detail.
Oh gosh, what is that?
What was that?
Eyelashes.
Oh, the eyelashes are off the face.
Oh, that's sad. That's.
So now the wings are also floating, but no, now they're not.
Oh, it's a bow wing.
I mean,
you can tell what it is. That's more than you could say for other ones that we've done.
you can. It look. Oh my gosh! Look at that wing. That's horrible.
No, this one you tried to fix this wing. You're thinking, oh, I made the wings look like airplane wings. So then you decided to try and make the wing look a little larger, but now it doesn't match the other wing, and the hearts aren't even close.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure mine was worse. Why is that so small?
It's tiny.
What is that? It looks. Oh.
Did you just add like little teeth? It looks like little teeth.
He's derping.
It looks like little teeth.
It does look like teeth. Oh gosh.
Okay, the wings definitely look better. I mean, they're also floating.
Uh-huh.
But they look better.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Wait a minute.
I put the wings in the wrong place. Oh, okay, that's everything. Oh my gosh. It was terrible.
All in all, I mean,
it
was
wasn't
horrible. I think
there was a few you could tell what it was, but anyway, guys, you need to comment and let me know who you thought won, and also try this. I want you guys to try this challenge and tell me how it went because blindfolding drawing it's honestly something you can't do even if you practice drawing for years. That's not a skill anyone has. I mean, oh gosh. I'll probably invite Isaac to other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.